Wasn't nobody there for me. Had to get it by myself. Had to get it on my lonely. Me, myself, and I. Wasn't nobody there for me. Nobody on my side. All they ever told me was about how they gon' ride. Took a while for me to see that they were lying. Had to get it on my lonely.
Alright, remember, so I come from Clarendon, see? So this I never come down them side here before until I started being with who I'm with now. So who me have to wife now, at them place I should come from, Westmoreland and Fair thing. Look at this view right here. And there's some kids on the other side right now. So the marketplace is right behind me, right up there. So right up there is the marketplace. This is a parking lot, if you can see. Parking space. And then right behind me is what you'll see as the sea. They literally live on the sea. See? They live on the sea. Beautiful out here. Come out here and grab a swim and just go about your normal business just like so. So our coast on Clarendon side is not like this. The water not that close. I'm more inland, more up in the hills, that kind of stuff. And of course, the place full of pride. Jamaican flag is like everywhere here, which is dope. Can't stop saying dope. It's tattooed on my hand, so it's dope. Let me show you real quick. See it there? For the people who come from this place, they're gonna like this. So there's the port, going through the port, and people are actually swimming out here like this. So while you're afraid of Corona and you're hiding inside your house, this is how these Jamaican children are enjoying themselves. This is like a private beach. It's literally like a private beach back here. It's clean, the kids are having their fun, and they're isolated. Me not mad at them because when we're in Florida, that's the same exact thing that I do. Eh? Yeah. Why, you vlog too? Deb Jovial. May I ask if you vlog too? Huh? You vlog too? No. No? So see that? Literally a private beach right here. And as you can see, not crowded. Mommy can go do our thing, go market and everything, the UM play. And I like how it's built in. I think this is an old fort or something. But I like how it's built in, the construction. So you know, the kids are safe. She's trying to tell the kids that it's time to go, let's go. But if I was a kid, honestly, right now, me wouldn't want to go neither. Them life good. Them life good. When I tell you Jamaica is beautiful, man. And these kind of places are like everywhere in Westmoreland. Me know some Westmoreland people are laugh after me right now because they're like, Souflotv going like him new to the thing. Brother Clarendon no stay so. See? Souflotv. 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 I would have climbed up, so I'll show you. Matter of fact, I'll go over there, so I'll climb up there and show you from there. You check out my channel? Yeah. You're not gonna remember. So I'm gonna try to. I actually feel like I want to go for a swim, in all honesty. That's what I really feel like. Them have life good and rotted. I don't know if I'm going up in some people place around at some part, but see there? Seagulls flying over my head. You can literally come hold a party here, and I'm sure they have. DJ string up them sound right in there, so people come in right on the water. See there? And look at that. Man, listen. And the Caribbean Sea is right here at your back. Jamaica, me love you. Real island life. You can't swim for come on a party though. You will drown. The water is deep around here, so. I see the picnic them a dive like them a fish. Which means they were born into this and them can really swim. Anyhow, I see people piss everywhere at Jamaica. I'm tempted to come piss around here as well. I'm well want piss. Now I'm going to the liquor house and go buck up on somebody. Cause that wouldn't be kosher. Pull out my wood for piss on here. Hey, where I do? Beer broke buckle and them something up here. See that people are shit around here. People are shite around here. Tabamba clot. Human shit, you know. Well on.
So I can't let this pass me by. I gotta catch the wave. And they gon' act like they relate. Don't know how action takes. Honestly, it ain't too many real ones after me. Lot on my mind, I hope my sister got that cancer beat. So they say, keep your head up, it's gon' get better. The stormy weather don't last forever. Keep your head up, I went on fed up. This stormy weather don't seem like it's ending. So fuck it, ain't going to court on catching buckets. In the field with that still, if he got smoke, no we ain't ducking. Told her I ain't
I'm still here. Royal, look right still. Tell me, this tells me some illicit activities going on in them places. I'll explain to you why. And the view through the window before I go. So I go around this just now. I see beer man underwear on the ground. Man underwear on the ground. And use condom and doo-doo. That not look good. I don't know what that was, okay. Anyway, hope I don't fall off. There's another thing about being here, right? The place is not leveled. Nothing out there not level. From your front yard to anywhere you're going not leveled, so you're balanced. And this is why Jamaican children have this extra athletic ability and their balance is like that because them are trod rocky terrain from a very young age. So all those intrinsic muscles are wired differently, and them fast twitch muscle, the ability to move and shake, you know, like change directions at speed and adjust rapidly.
I went to sleep
alright?
one night.
Yeah, man.
And I had
We'll do some
a dream. I went to sleep one night. And I had a dream. See us rolling back to back in them Benz trucks. Could you believe it was all the drinks still in them apartments, feeling fed up? Mama told me, son, just keep your head up, head up. Take it on your chin, you built the win, it's gon' get better. Running from these demons, bout to go and cop a sprinter. Gave up trap money, I'm tryna clock in off instrumentals. Or should I hit the bricks and get this shit up off my mental? I might hit a lick and hit a flip and bless my dental. Lately I've been thinking so much on my mind, don't know the meaning. Lately I've been drinking and I don't even drink shit, I've been sinking. Gone off in that deep end, floating at the bottom with my secrets. I